Hi, if you're coming across this face for the first time, my name is Jumai Idris and you are welcome to my channel. On this channel, we'll talk about immigration, funding, scholarship, and a lot of opportunities. Do well to go through my channel page and also kindly subscribe. Subscription is free. And like the channel. Make sure you share the content. Sharing, I always say it, there is love in sharing. Engage me in the comment section if you have questions, suggestions, and anything to chip in. Make sure you drop it in the comment section. I'll be there waiting for you all. So let's go right into the video.
Deadline to apply for this interesting opportunity is on the 31st of March 2025, and no applications will be considered after this date. Let's dive right into it. This scholarship and funding is in the University of Glasgow or African Excellence Award. That is the title of the scholarship. It aims to support high-achieving students from across Africa in their journeys to become future world changers. So basically, this scholarship is for those from Africa. So if you're not from Africa, you are not eligible to apply. We're looking for students who wish to undertake master's level study to further develop their knowledge and skills in order to positively contribute to their community in the future. The university is offering up to 15 scholarships for international students from Africa, starting a 1-year postgraduate thought master's program in any discipline for academic session 2025 to 2026. The scholarship is a full tuition fee waiver. So this scholarship is actually a full tuition fee waiver. You do not need to pay anything to get the scholarship. So it's literally like they are inviting you to come in, study for free, and it is majorly for Africa. So right now, let's go through the eligibility criteria for you to be able to apply for this scholarship. You must demonstrate academic excellence and achieve grades equivalent to a UK first class honours. You must hold an offer of a place for a postgraduate thought 1-year master's program for September 2025 intake. Offer is not needed to apply, but applicants will require an offer to be considered for interview and should take program application timelines into consideration as detailed on program webpage. You do not necessarily need to have an offer to apply, but applicants will require an offer to be considered for the interview. So you can apply now and at the same time process your offer alongside. You must have international fee status, be domiciled in Africa, and hold a passport from one of the eligible countries. So we'll go over the eligible countries very soon. Be able to demonstrate a clear career or development plan that will be supported by master's level study via application form. Be able to provide evidence of meeting the UK via maintenance living cost by 30 June 2025. Only required if offered scholarship following successful interview. So this fee demonstration, living cost demonstration, is just like maintenance fee to show that okay, when I get this, I'll be able to maintain myself, I'll be able to provide for myself and fend for myself. So this is you don't need that now at this stage. It is needed when you've had your interview and it is successful. Number of scholarship is up to 15 scholarship. Don't say up to 15. I don't think I stand a chance. Don't think that way. You have to give it a go. You have to give it a try for you to see how it goes. You never know, you can be favored among the lots. This scholarship is a very good one. This is why I thought to put it out here on time before the deadline. So if you've gotten to this point of the video, kindly subscribe. Subscription is free, and like the video so that YouTube we suggest it to so many people, and share. There is love in sharing. I always say that. Share across family and friends. This opportunity is a good one. You never know. If you do not get the opportunity, another person might be fortunate to get the scholarship. So now let's go through the eligible countries and regions. We have Algeria, Angola, Benin, Botswana, Burkina Faso, Burundi, Cameroon, Cape Verde, Central African Republic, Chad, Comoros, Congo, Congo the Republic of Cote d'Ivoire, Djibouti, Egypt, Equatorial Guinea, Eritrea, Swatini, Ethiopia, Gabon, Gambia, Ghana, Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, Kenya, Lesotho, Liberia, Libya, Madagascar, Malawi, Mali, Mauritania, Mauritius, Morocco, Mozambique, Namibia, Nigeria, Rwanda, Sao Tome and Principe, Senegal, Seychelles, Sierra Leone, Somalia, South Africa, South Sudan, Tanzania, Togo, Tunisia, Uganda, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. So these are the list of eligible African countries. If you see your country there, then please go ahead and apply. Eligible programs value. The value of this scholarship is full tuition fee waiver. So you are not paying any tuition fee at all throughout your studies. So how to apply? You click on the apply button to complete the scholarship application. The deadline to apply for the scholarship is 31st March 2025. No applications will be considered after this date. So you see, you have to act very fast. That is why I brought it here, so that everyone will be able to act fast on it. Applicants shortlisted for interview will be contacted by 10th May 2025. So University of Glasgow is committed to support as many self-funded students as possible, which is why U of G discount and scholarship cannot be combined with one another, or any external scholarship discount with the exemption of alumni discount. If you're offered more than one scholarship, the lower value award will be deleted from your account. So see, you cannot be running on two scholarships, you have to stick to one. So now that we've gone through the eligibility criteria and likes, now let's go through the eligible program. That is the courses that are involved, the courses that you'll be able to study when you apply for this scholarship. Remember guys, you do not need to get an offer before you apply for this scholarship. You can apply for the scholarship and apply alongside your course of interest. So you do the two at the same time. So the eligible program is adult learning, community development, and youth work practice. CLD Standard Council accredited. That's Masters in Education or Postgraduate Diploma. MSc Advanced Functional Materials, MSc Advanced Imaging and Sensing. So what I will suggest us to do is, some people will be like, I'm not saying my BSc course of studies. Most times your BSc course of studies has been restructured. The name has been restructured in a more advanced way, and you might be seeing it but you wouldn't know. So what I would suggest you do is click on each and read about it. Then you will know if it is related to what, if the criteria or the course about the course is what you can study. For instance, this is advanced practice in healthcare. Let's click on it and see what it's all about. So this is a postgraduate thought program, advanced practice in healthcare. So it's all about this. It's designed for the growing number of healthcare professionals wishing to work in clinical leadership or extended roles in clinical practice in the UK. So there it is. Teaching starts September. The academic contact, Glasgow campus. It's a 12-month full-time, 24-month part-time. Of course, if you are seeking for scholarship, you can't go on part-time. It has to be full-time. Why this program? Become involved in lifelong learning whilst adapting to the dynamic care environment and support quality care delivery. So for instance, if you've been involved in quality management in the healthcare system, you can go for this course. If you've done something like that in your BSc studies, the program structure, what the course is all about. Here you have global health challenges and all. So you see, you have to know about the course, the details of the course, to be able to ascertain that okay, it is not related to my BSc or it is related to my BSc. So it is very good when you go and read about it. Actually might be something you study, the name might just be different. So we have Advanced Imaging and Sciences, MSc Advanced Nursing Science, MSc Advanced Practice in Healthcare, MSc Advanced Statistics, MSc Aerospace Engineering and Management, Ancient Cultures, Animal Welfare Science, Ethics and Law, Applied Linguistics, Applied Neuropsychology, Archaeology, Art History, Dress and Textile History, Art History, Technical Art History, Making and Meaning, Astrophysics, Behavioral Science, Bioinformatics, Biomedical Engineering, Biomedical Sciences and Research Based, Biotechnology and Management, Book and Paper Conservation, Brain Sciences, Cancer Research and Precision Oncology, Cardiovascular Sciences, Celtic Studies, Chemical Biology, Chemistry with Medicinal Chemistry, Children's Literature and Literacies. So it is a lot, guys. As you can see, it is a lot. I won't be able to read everything, but I just want you to know that almost all the course is here. If you can see it, as you can see, it is a lot. It is arranged alphabetically, and what I would advise you do is go through everything and click on it to know more about the course of study and apply for the scholarship, apply for the course alongside. And the value again is the full tuition fee waiver. Now let's try and apply and see what it involves to apply for the scholarship. So this is the access the scholarship portal. And you have expressed an interest in the University of Glasgow African Excellence Award. If you have already registered on the system for another program or scholarship, click here to receive a reminder email to allow you access your existing application. You do not need to enter your details again. So the thing is, this particular university have a lot of award funding available, scholarship funding available, so you can explore other options and apply alongside. So anyone you get lucky to have, you just go for it. And if you get selected for 2, you have to drop 1 if you have not registered. So please complete the details when prompted and you'll be able to select from a list of scholarships to apply for. Please pay extra attention when entering the details below to ensure your scholarship application can be linked to your student account. Incorrect information will result in your application being cancelled. So you have to be very careful when you are applying. Make sure that you give the right information that will enable them to be able to link your student application together with your scholarship application. The house of your first name, last name, date of birth, email address, nationality, domicile, that's where you are staying currently. Please enter your application details, level of study, academic career. You enter it. So what this means is level of study, academic, no help exists for this. That is what are you going for, postgraduate thoughts, undergraduate. So they don't have postgraduate research based courses are not eligible for this scholarship. You know, there are research based courses and there is thought courses. So the courses that are eligible for this particular scholarship is thought. So that's why you're seeing postgraduate thought. Applying for the scholarship, apply alongside for a course so that they'll give you your student ID. You can input it. Please enter your 8-digit application number. Enter it. mode of study, have you received an offer of admission, fee status. So you let them know what and what. So then you click submit and accept the terms and conditions, and it will link you through to other aspects of the scholarship process. So this will be the end of this video, and I wish you all the best of luck, and do come back to testify if you're one of the lucky ones to get selected for this scholarship. What would you like me to research on? Please comment, put it down in the comment section, and do let me know where you are watching me from. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. Hi lovelies, now that you've gotten to the end of this video, do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment below. It is totally free. Thank you guys so much. Bye.